So this is our last topic for the diuretics, potassium sparing diuretics. So potassium sparing diuretics acts on the late distal tubule and on the collecting duct, mainly on the collecting duct. And about the osmotic diuretics, so osmotic diuretics acts on everywhere on the nephron but mainly on the loop of Henle. But right now we are discussing about the potassium sparing diuretics act on the collecting duct. So diagrammatically, this one is the lumen of the collecting duct, and luminal membrane of the collecting duct contain one channel, that is sodium channel, which help in the reabsorption of the sodium. So there is decreased positive charge in the lumen, so potential difference will generated. So for that, potassium and hydrogen are secreted to the collecting duct. Okay, so these action are promoted by the aldosterone. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं एल्डोस्टेरोन एक्ट कर रहा है और सोडियम की रीअब्जॉर्प्शन हो रही है और हाइड्रोजन और पोटेशियम जो है सिक्रेट हो जा रहे हैं बाहर को, ठीक है. सो वी वांट सोडियम आउट, वाटर ऑलवेज फॉलो सोडियम as you know, and it is diuresis actually. So if I block aldosterone receptor, what's going to happen? Sodium reabsorption will not take place and potassium retention will occur. Okay, second, if I block the sodium channel, okay, if I'm blocking the sodium channel, then what will happen? Again the sodium reabsorption will not take place, it will go out, that is diuresis. Okay, so potassium reabsorption will not take place and potassium retention occur. Okay, so we can give aldosterone receptor blocker for the diuretic effect. So aldosterone receptor blocker, so what they will do, they will do the sodium loss and potassium retention and increase in the hydrogen or proton, that is metabolic acidosis. So drugs in this case are the spironolactone and second one is the eplerenone. And in case of epithelial sodium channel blocker, what they will do, same thing, that they will do decrease the sodium ion and sodium and water loss, that is diuresis, and increase the potassium, that is retention of the potassium, or we can say hyperkalemia, and increase in hydrogen ion, that is metabolic acidosis. So drug in this case are the amiloride, okay, and second one is the triamiterans. Yeah, so these are the drugs in this case. Okay, so we can remember this by mnemonic: potassium sparing diuretics by PASTE. P for paste, potassium sparing diuretics. A for amiloride, S for the spironolactone, T for the triamiterans, and E for the eplerenone. Okay, so spironolactone cause gynecomastia, just remember it, and also impotence. It's important, and eplerenone not cause this effect. Okay, so you can remember one more thing that is very important. जो भी हमने diuretics पढ़े, all diuretics work from the luminal side. Okay, except aldosterone. Okay, एल्डोस्टेरोन जब हमने देखा तो वो एल्डोस्टेरोन को हमने बेसोलेटरल साइड और वी कैन से इंटरस्टिशियल साइट में ड्रॉ किया था, लाइक रिसेप्टर को. जस्ट वेट, दिस वन इज द ओके, और बाकी डायरेटिक तो दूसरी साइड से वर्क कर रहे थे. ओके, सो वेयर वी कैन यूज दिस इन द कॉन सिंड्रोम एंड ऑल्सो इन द एडेमा इन द सिरोसिस. And drug of choice in this case are the aldosterone antagonist or aldosterone receptor blocker. And third, we can do in the prevent hypokalemia, okay, caused by other diuretics. हमें पता है hypokalemia cause करते हैं, तो हम इसमें यूज कर सकते हैं. फोर्थ CHF में, और लास्ट वन इज द रेसिस्टेंट हाइपरटेंशन में. ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस फॉर आर aldosterone antagonist.